I was watching Hewitt Homestead, and that's a big B. And his latest video, he pulled out some sweet potatoes and then put the leaves back. So that's what I'm doing. I just pulled these out right here, some nice size ones. I'm gonna get this one right here, but there is still some in there that's kind of small. So I don't know. I'm gonna pull some of these out and leave the rest and see what happened to the leaves. These been in since April. I think I'm doing from April to August. Put my sweet potatoes in April, pull them out in August. That's what I did last year. And I think I did that the year before. I'm not sure about the year before, but I definitely did that last year, April to August. So I said, August of this year, do the same thing. And that's nice right there. That's nice size sweet potatoes. So that's what I'm doing. Let's see what happens. Thanks for watching.